Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy ranch sauce for pizza. First, grab your favorite ranch dressing and a bottle of hot sauce. For a good starting point, mix about 1 cup of ranch with 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. You can always add more later if you want it spicier. Whisk these two ingredients together until they are perfectly combined and smooth. This creates your delicious, creamy base. Now, let's elevate that flavor even further. For a richer taste, stir in about 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. A small pinch of onion powder will also really bring out the savory notes in your sauce. If you like a little smoky warmth, a dash of smoked paprika works wonders. These additions transform your simple ranch into something truly special and complex. Sometimes you might want a slightly thinner sauce, especially for drizzling. If it's too thick, just add a teaspoon of milk or a little water, mixing until you reach your desired consistency. For more heat, gradually add extra hot sauce, tasting after each addition. Remember, it's easier to add more spice than to take it away. Keep adjusting until it's just right for you. Your homemade spicy ranch is now ready to enjoy. It's absolutely perfect drizzled over a hot slice of pizza, adding a creamy, zesty kick. It also makes an incredible dipping sauce for your pizza crusts, chicken wings, or even fresh vegetables. If you have any left over, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.